everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Serin Joroge, and today I have something interesting for you guys to learn, and this video is done for beginners. So if you are a beginner, feel welcome in this channel. I'm going to show you guys how to do a cornrow on your own hair. So please make sure that you look keenly whatever I'll be doing, cause this video is for you to watch and learn. So keep your eyes into the video till the end of it. So guys, let's get down into the video. And so guys, I hope you have learned something and noticed the difference in the two cornrows. Please make sure that you do a lot of practice, because practice makes it perfect. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. And if you are new in the channel, please make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to see it. And it is until next time, bye bye.